We just took a break. It's about 11:30. We've been riding all morning, and it is time to fill up and top off. Hugo is filling the tank.
It's ordinary fuel, but they don't sell anything else, so I would like to put super, but they don't have it. So it's gonna be a mix between super and ordinary.
Next up, the red rocket.
Rocket fuel. That's cranberry juice. Those bikes are working with cranberry juice.
This is perfect. This will help my my urinary tract infection. And the stop.